Then your next step, so that tells you per square inch. Within this facility, we really have two very complementary functions. One is the education process, which is SMCC. So what you're seeing here, which is the manufacturing area, is related to SMCC in learning the manufacturing processes of composites. But again, what separates us from, as I understand it, any other program in the nation is we also have the finest composites engineering research laboratory in any institution, and certainly in the Northeast. So our composites capability that you'll see in here is finer than University of Maine Orono, is finer than University of Massachusetts Lowell. It's better than most of the testing facilities. And as a combination to a program, it's the only one of its kind in the nation. So what it does is it separates not only the education and manufacturing, but then the research and characterization. So we then, when we build something here, we then take it into the lab and we analyze it so that the students understand the science behind what they made. And I think that's what is really, to me, a huge selling point, is that the students will understand the science behind the manufacturing. And then, like the class that you sat in, where we teach quality systems, statistics of manufacturing, it incorporates a better understanding of true manufacturing. I've probably in my career hired dozens of engineers and chemists. One of the biggest problems I had is hiring somebody, they couldn't even hit the ground walking, let alone running. And the problem is they didn't know how to apply what they learned in school into a manufacturing environment. So I've designed this program so that these students come out and they're able to go into a manufacturing system, they understand lean manufacturing, they understand manufacturing statistics, and they understand process, science, and manufacturing. And so CERL, which is Composites Engineering Research Lab, is a joint venture between the Maine Composites Alliance, Maine Polymer Engineering Solutions, and SMCC. So none of the equipment that you see in the research lab is actually owned by the college, but it's all utilized in the academic program. Because that only is, so CERL is two purposes. One is that it's a standalone, for-profit research lab that does work for industry. But it's also, all of the equipment is utilized in the academic program so that students understand how to apply those advanced tools to understand what they've manufactured.